Alright, people, so I have something new to open that I found out about. Um, they're called Mini Bratz Cosmetics, and they're supposed to be like little makeups. So I'm hoping these are easier to open than like my little purses, but since I'm on like the little toy, little accessory kick lately, I thought I would get some, and they were on sale for like $5. So I was like, okay, let's see what's going on. So far, it's a lot easier to open than the other ones. Thank goodness. Oh wow, that was so easy and simple. I like it already. So crunchy. It's a different kind of crunch though, so it's kind of the same, but it's slightly different. I like the other crunchies better. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a little eyeshadow palette. No way. No freaking way. How do I get it out of here? Oh man, y'all. This is crazy. Hold on. I don't want to like break it. Come on. It's got like a little tab on it and it's not cooperating. God damn it. I have to get my pen out. My computer's making noises at me. Ah, fuck it. I guess I'm just gonna rip it off because I don't really feel like intricately opening it. It's jade on there. I don't know. I don't know much about Bratz besides I found out they had cute little makeups. Oh my god, that's so cute. No way. Are these Dude, are these real makeups? If so, that's super cool. Let's see. Hold on. No way. Look it. Hold on, let's see. Oh my god, I think they are real makeups. I'm gonna have to get my little teeny tiny makeup brush out now. Alright, hold on. Let me go grab that. I'm gonna see if this shit's real. Alright, so I got my little mini makeup brush from my little mini fashion ball things. So I'm gonna see if this is actually real. Oh my god. Y'all, look at, it's like really got makeup. It's like real makeup. What? It's just little teeny tiny. How cute. It's not very pigmented, but how cute. I bet maybe if like I add water or something. I don't know. But this is so cute. What? No way. I like that. That's cute. Super cute. Super cute. Like that episode of South Park. I love it. Okay, let me open my other one. Stop lollygagging all night. Okay. I just want to crunch it. It just sounds like crunchy snack. Oh, it comes with a little makeup bag. Look how cute. Is this another makeup in here? Let's see. Round compact mirror. How freaking cute. Oh my god. I can't, like, I don't know. My little weird fascination with these little makeups and little bags, little accessories lately. Oh my god. You guys, it's got like, that is like real blush in there. No way. What? I'm trying to get it. I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess of this, but oh my god, that's so cute. I'm so easily amused. And I love how it comes with the little makeup bag, so you can put your little palette, your little compact, and of course your little brush in there, and just keep it all nice and neat. It's got, stay in the know. Okay, I guess this is just something you mail in if you want. And this Man, I don't even know what this does. If y'all know what this does, please let me know. I think maybe it's supposed to hold a Bratz doll or something, like a little one. But I didn't get those. I just got the little makeups because, I don't know, I just thought they were really cute. So I might have to get some more of these. See you later.